Every second, Earth leaks thousands of radio signals into space. If another civilization has done the same, why have 60 years of listening revealed absolutely nothing? A single radio signal from another civilization would instantly become the most important discovery in human history. Yet, after more than 60 decades of searching the skies with some of the most powerful radio telescopes ever built, we've heard nothing. Not one confirmed alien transmission, not one undeniable greeting, just silence. In this video, you'll discover why scientists expected to find intelligent life decades ago, why the silence may actually be stranger than finding aliens, and the unsettling possibility that the universe isn't empty, it's simply choosing not to answer. By 1960, humanity believed we were finally ready to hear another civilization. Astronomer Frank Drake launched the world's first modern SETI experiment, known as Project Ozma. He pointed a radio telescope toward two nearby sun-like stars, hoping another civilization might be broadcasting into space. Nothing. But the search had begun. Over the following decades, increasingly powerful telescopes scanned millions of frequencies. The famous Arecibo Observatory, the Allen Telescope Array, the Green Bank Telescope. Today, SETI searches billions of radio channels simultaneously, while artificial intelligence helps identify unusual patterns hidden inside mountains of cosmic noise. We've examined nearby stars, distant galaxies, even mysterious fast radio bursts. Still, no confirmed message, no unmistakable beacon, not even a simple "we're here." At first, nobody saw the silence as a failure. The Milky Way alone contains roughly 100 to 400 billion stars. Many have planets. Many of those planets orbit within habitable zones where liquid water could exist. With numbers this enormous, intelligent civilizations seemed almost inevitable. And with every new telescope, that silence became a little harder to ignore. Maybe we've simply been looking in the wrong place. Or maybe our assumptions about alien civilizations have been wrong from the very beginning. Imagine trying to detect modern Earth with technology from the 1800s. You'd miss almost everything. That's one possible explanation for SETI's silence. Radio communication may be a brief technological phase. Compared with the era of powerful analog broadcasts, Earth now leaks less detectable radio energy into space as more communication moves to fiber optics, satellites, and tightly directed signals. Some researchers even speculate that civilizations far older than ours could communicate using methods we've barely begun to imagine. Perhaps tightly focused laser networks, neutrino beams, or technologies that don't resemble radio at all. There's another limitation. The Milky Way is unimaginably large. Even radio signals travel at the speed of light. A civilization 5,000 light-years away would hear our earliest broadcasts around the year 6900. If they replied immediately, their answer wouldn't arrive until nearly the year 11,000. From a cosmic perspective, civilizations could simply be missing each other in time, ships passing in an ocean measured in thousands of years. It's entirely possible that countless civilizations have risen and disappeared without ever overlapping in time. But there's another explanation that's even more unsettling. Maybe the silence isn't accidental. Maybe it's intentional.
What if every civilization eventually learns the same terrifying lesson? One idea is known as the dark forest hypothesis. Imagine a forest at night. Every hunter stays silent, because making noise reveals your location. In this view, the universe is filled with civilizations hiding from one another. In that scenario, broadcasting your existence isn't curiosity, it's a risk. Whether that threat is real doesn't even matter. The fear alone would be enough to keep everyone silent. Other scientists suggest something equally sobering. Advanced civilizations may simply lose interest in contacting the stars. Virtual realities, artificial intelligence, digital consciousness. A civilization might eventually turn inward instead of outward. Or perhaps intelligent life is simply extraordinarily rare. Life itself may be common, complex multicellular organisms less common, intelligence rarer still, and civilizations capable of building radio telescopes, perhaps incredibly unusual. SETI's silence doesn't necessarily mean nobody exists. It may simply reveal how incredibly difficult it is for two technological civilizations to overlap across billions of years and trillions of miles. And yet, there's one astonishing fact that makes the silence feel even stranger. After listening for more than 60 years, SETI has barely searched the cosmic equivalent of a single glass of water taken from Earth's oceans. That's the surprising reality. The search has been enormous by human standards, but tiny compared to the size of our galaxy. Most stars have never been carefully examined. Most radio frequencies remain unexplored. Most possible communication methods haven't even been invented. In other words, the great silence may not tell us the universe is empty. Sometimes, silence doesn't mean there's nothing out there. It simply means we've barely begun listening. For now, the universe remains astonishingly quiet. Whether that silence hides loneliness, patience, or civilizations far beyond our imagination, we simply don't know. But every night, radio telescopes continue listening, because the next signal could arrive at any moment and change humanity forever. If you enjoy exploring the biggest unanswered questions in science and the universe, subscribe for more deep-field facts. And in the next episode, what if the first alien message has already reached Earth and we failed to recognize it?